I'm Narayan. I am an architect. I run Priya projects. So we just happened to attend the expo, and we came to Starshield products, and we kind of looked at some of their samples. We're extremely impressed with the kind of quality and the variety that they have, and we definitely look forward to using some of their products and the kind of innovations they have in climate change, and how much temperature difference they can bring to some of their innovations and products. It's very impressive, and we would definitely love to incorporate some of these products into our projects. We're actually a multidisciplinary architecture studio. We do residential projects, commercial, and also hospitality projects. So we are based in Chennai, and we have offices in Cochin also. So we definitely would love to collaborate with Starshield products. I personally like the applications on glass, which can be used both in automotive as well as industrial and architectural applications. Thank you.